Heidi ho, my lovelies. How's everybody doing today? Good, I hope. Right, here we go. Here we go. Hang out. 1990. This is a Denmark 5 Kroner. What I like about these is the hearts. People think I stamped this on, but it's actually part of it. It comes with a hole already, but it ain't big enough. So, let's make it a bit bigger. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for hitting the like button. There's a little button down there if you want to hit that for me. It'll help me out great. I'd love you to bits. Little red button. Hit that, you're automatically subscribed. Hit the bell icon. You'll be notified every time I upload a video. I try to do one every single day. But sometimes I just can't make it. But most days I'm pretty good. I mean, at the end of the day, it's only, 20 minutes at the longest. My girlfriend spends more time doing it than me because she uploads the video. She takes the photographs. She's the clever one. I'm the stupid one. Right. Let's just take this off. This could be quite a wide-banded ring. I like wide-banded rings. I can make narrow-banded rings. You just have to make the hole bigger, that's all. And then it's a narrow band. Right, this is Christy Burr, Mighty Burrowing Tool. You just want to clean up that edge. See, it's not that sexy. So, we whisk round with Christy Burr, Mighty Burrowing Tool. If you're looking for a custom ring, I could be the person you're looking for. Maybe I'm not the person you're looking for. But if you're looking for a ring, I will happily make you one. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. All the rings in there, I can adjust the size, up or down. Or you can send me your own coins. I don't just do rings now. I do other things. Bracelets, cufflinks, earrings, key fobs, cowboy hat key rings. And I actually love doing this. It's quite, relaxing, satisfying. Plus I'm talking to myself. Well, I'm talking to you, not really, but I can't see you. Right, what we got? That's pretty, that's nice and clean. Right, let's break out Bernie fire starter. This is called annealing. Just softens up the metal a bit so I can work it a bit easier. You might have to do this 2 or 3 times during the course of making the ring. Because as you work the metal, it gets harder. So it doesn't matter where you're from in the world, if you're watching this video and you'd like me to make a ring for you from one of your coins from your country, I'll make it for you, no problem. and obviously film it and stick it on YouTube for you. I don't charge anything for the video, I just do it, I like doing it, so. Right, there you go. Now, we need, this is 17-degree folding die. And I think we're going to go, I mean, that's quite a nice design as well. But I think I'll go with that. Yeah, this is going to be sunny side up on the ring. So this goes face down in the die. Just want to make sure it's level. Right, let's go over to Big Red. Flip this over, otherwise it's going to go all the way through. And that really screws up your coin ring. One, two. Okie dokie. What have we got? This is sandy, and you just want to make sure that that is nice and clean. You just want to make sure there's no cracks forming, otherwise you're going to split your ring. There you go, nice and shiny, no cracks forming. Goddamn gorgeous. Now, the one and only best tool in the world. No, it's not. Alright then, it's not. This is a ring stretcher, and it just stretches out the coin. Give it a bit of a turn each time. Stretches out the ring equally all the way around. I think it needs a bit more love with Bernie. That's pretty good. Right, let's dry it off. It needs to go back on spike again for a little bit. This is a bit bow shaped. You want to get rid of that. So we go back on spike again. Keep giving it a little bit of a turn each time. How's that looking? Not too bad. I think we'll give it a bit more. A bit more love. Love is the drug. Gah. Right, there you go, folks. So let's There's quite a big lip in this one. It's got a big lip. See in there? That lip, you want to cut that out. Oh, it's a bit uncomfortable to wear. I could have done this after I'd finished the ring, but hey, let's change things up a bit, eh? Let's go crazy. I said, Mama, we're all crazy now. I said, Mama, I'm crazy now. You didn't know I could sing, did you? Hey, Gary, you play guitar, I could be the singer, man. What do you reckon? You're a bit good on the old guitar. And I think you're a bit better singer than me as well, so I'll just stand in the audience and watch you then, eh? Touch more. Well, some coins need loads and loads and loads cutting out, and others don't need any. Or if so, just a tiny incy-wincy bit. Incy-wincy bit? Where'd that come from? Incy-wincy spider. That's the one. Right. Incy-wincy spider. There's a nursery rhyme there somewhere. Incy-wincy spider. Flying up the drain pipe or something? I don't know. If you'd like to hit that like button for me, come on, I'd love it. I could do with the help. Hit the subscribe button. Cost you nothing. Cost you absolutely nothing. And you know what? I'd appreciate it, and I'd love you forever. Right, let's go over to the bottom end of spike. These are reduction dice. And we just want to get that cone shape out of it. There you go, there's a bit there we can use. Make sure it's nice and square in a round hole. 1, 2. Touch more. Still a bit cone shaped. One, two. There you go. Nice and square. A nice and square ring, eh? Does that make any sense to you? Right. Let's break out David Dremel and show this baby a bit of love. This is like quad zero steel on the end of this. It just takes off the fire scale. My Dremel's making funny noises. Like something's about to break. I quite like the look of this already. I'm thinking, polish or no polish? Right, see, there's another one. Got a nice patina on it without using the liver of sulphur. I could polish this up, I suppose. What do you think? Polish or no polish? Okay, let's polish it then. But if you want this without the polishing, I could just run over with Kate Bush again. Right, let's give it a bit of love with some polish. This is just a felt pad on the end of this thing. Ouch. Getting a bit warm. Too hot to handle. A bit like my girlfriend, she's too hot to handle. Like, it's getting very hot. And she's very hot as well. Ouch. Well, let's clean it up a bit first, eh? I can easily give it another whiz round. It's getting really hot. And my mingies can't take the pain. Well, it's coming up okay. I've still got this bloody head cold. I've had it for like 2 bloody months nearly. I don't feel like, you know, I don't feel like shit anymore. But I've still, my head's like really thick, do you know what I mean? My voice sounds weird. My hearing's a bit weird in both ears. And before you say it, no, it's not. Right. That ain't looking too bad. My girlfriend finished these off because my hands are still covered in oil and polish and crap. But there you go. Yeah, it looks nice. And you've got them 2 hearts there. Yeah, okay. Okay. And that's why I use the kitchen roll on spike. You don't lose any of that detail. Some guys use a plastic bag or whatever, you know. Horses for courses. I like the kitchen roll. There's no lip in there at all, like nice and shiny. It's quite sexy, that. It's beautiful. Right, what size we got? We've got a size, and you always measure from the reeded side of the coin because that's the thickest part of the coin. And this is a size, woohoo, 11 1/4. So there you go, folks. Thanks for watching, and have a great day, and I'll catch you tomorrow, God willing. So bye bye.